Hello guys! Welcome to the Busy Small Kitchen channel! Today, I'm going to cook miso soup. So here's our ingredients. We have here soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Of course, our main ingredients, 5 tablespoons of miso paste, 4 cups of water. We have here scallion. I already washed our vegetables, so we have here yellow onion, small raddish, and just a half of carrot already peeled, and tofu or tokwa. I prepared for only 3 people. Now, let's slice our vegetables. Let's start with our scallion. First, let's cut it in half, and we have to remove the roots part and just put it together like this so that we can easily cut it. But of course, have some extra care because the knife is too sharp. By the way, scallion known as spring onion or green onion, and lots of health benefits like fiber. It keeps our cholesterol levels down and may lower our chances for diabetes, enhance our heart health. It helps also blood clotting, vitamin C to strengthen our immune system. It helps to fight cancer and has a milder taste than the other onion, and we can eat it as a raw or cooked. Some of us, they discard the top of the stem, the green darker part, but I didn't throw it, even the roots. I'm going to plant it. I'm done cutting with the scallion, so I'm gonna put this one into our bowl, and I'm gonna set aside this to cut the other vegetables. Now, let's slice our carrot. Just slice it thinly, just a bite size so that we will not choke. And carrots are roots vegetables and rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They are also a good source of antioxidants to reduce our risk of cancer. It contains also vitamins like vitamin A to improve our eyesight, to lower our cholesterol level, and it also contains potassium. It is important minerals to our body because it helps to regulate our muscles contractions and nerve signals, and it may helps to reduce our blood pressure, prevent osteoporosis and kidney stones. Then, let's cut our tofu. It is made of soybeans, also known as bean curd, and low in calories, no cholesterol, and source of iron, calcium, and protein. It is also good for those on diet or lower risk of obesity, diabetes, heart disease. It enhances our skin and hair, and there's no right or wrong way to slice tofu. But I slice it with my bare hands. I didn't use a chopping board because tofu is fragile, and if I'm going to cut it in a chopping board and transfer it in a bowl, it seems to break. You can put any vegetables you want. So now we have to cut our raddish. Radish is also a root vegetable. Mostly can eat as a raw, like we can put it in our salad and can be pickled. And it is also rich in minerals, calcium, potassium, and antioxidants. At the same with the other vegetables. These nutrients help us to lower our blood pressure and reduces the risk for our heart and improves our blood flow. Just slice it like our sliced carrots. Last and not but the least is our yellow onion. Yellow onion is sweet in flavor. It produces sweetness to our food. The longer we cook, the sweeter. And also has a benefits to our health, like controlling our blood sugar. It helps us also for our digestion and may boost our bone density. I'm just gonna break this into two and set aside the other half for my other recipe. After I cook this miso soup, I'm going to cook katsudon. So here's the onion for our miso soup, and I'm gonna slice the other half for my other recipe. So that's why I slicing it like this, and I'm gonna set aside this one. Now let's go to our next procedure. Pour water on our pot, and let's add the soy sauce and stir it a little bit. Let's put on the stove over high flame for fast boiling. Once you have noticed it for about 2 boil, we can add our carrots. So why we add the carrots first? Because it will take time to cook it, unlike the other vegetables. And if it started again to boil, let's add our raddish and just put the flame to lower heat. So let's add the raddish and let's bring it again to boil. And then after we boil it, let's put again, of course, our tofu, and again after boiling it or bring it to a boil, let's put again the other ingredients, just like that. So easy to cook. Now I'm going to pour some hot water to our miso paste just to dissolve it. And then let's put our yellow onion to add sweetness to our miso soup. Now let's add our dissolved miso paste to our miso soup and just stir it a little bit. Now let's add our last vegetable, the scallion or spring onion. Just stir it a little bit and boil it for a while. Don't overcook it, just make it half cook only. So I'm done cooking with our miso soup, and once again, this is Ruby's Small Kitchen channel. Thank you for watching. If this video helps you a lot, please give it a subscribe, hit the notification bell for the upcoming video, and please like, share, comment, and always stay safe. Failure is not an option, but everyone has to succeed.